Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the secrets of the human body and its various systems. In this video, we'll be exploring the fascinating connection between your feet and your liver. Yes, you heard that right. Your feet can actually provide important clues about the health of your liver. So, sit back and get ready to discover 12 things your feet can tell you about your liver. The human body is an intricate system, and every part of it is interconnected. While most people don't think about it, our feet can actually provide important clues about the health of our liver. In this video, we'll explore 12 things your feet can tell you about your liver, and what you can do to keep your liver healthy. Swollen feet and ankles. Swollen feet and ankles can be a sign of liver problems, such as cirrhosis or liver failure. This happens because the liver is not functioning properly and cannot filter waste and fluid from the blood. As a result, fluid accumulates in the lower legs and feet, causing swelling. If you experience swelling in your feet and ankles, it's important to see a doctor to get a proper diagnosis. Yellowing of the toes and nails. Yellowing of the toes and nails can also be a sign of liver problems. This happens because the liver is responsible for removing bilirubin, a waste product that gives bile its yellow color. If the liver isn't functioning properly, bilirubin builds up in the body, causing yellowing of the skin and eyes, as well as the nails and toes. Itchy feet. Itchy feet can also be a sign of liver problems, especially when accompanied by other symptoms such as jaundice or dark urine. This happens because the liver is not able to remove waste from the body, causing an accumulation of toxins in the blood. This can lead to itching, as the body tries to eliminate the waste through the skin. Bruising easily. If you bruise easily, it may be a sign of liver problems. The liver produces clotting factors, which help to prevent excessive bleeding. If the liver is not functioning properly, the levels of these factors decrease, making it easier for you to bruise. Fatigue. Fatigue is another common symptom of liver problems. This happens because the liver is responsible for producing energy for the body. When the liver is not functioning properly, it cannot produce enough energy, leading to feelings of exhaustion and fatigue. Dark urine. Dark urine can be a sign of liver problems. This happens because the liver is responsible for removing waste from the blood, including bilirubin. If the liver is not functioning properly, bilirubin accumulates in the body, causing dark urine. If you experience dark urine, it's important to see a doctor for a proper diagnosis. Pale stools. Pale stools can also be a sign of liver problems. This happens because the liver is responsible for producing bile, which gives stools their normal brown color. If the liver is not functioning properly, the levels of bile decrease, causing pale stools. Nausea and vomiting. Nausea and vomiting can be a sign of liver problems. This happens because the liver is responsible for producing bile, which helps to digest food. When the liver is not functioning properly, bile accumulates in the body, causing nausea and vomiting. Abdominal pain. Abdominal pain can also be a sign of liver problems. This happens because the liver is located in the upper right part of the abdomen, and if it is not functioning properly, it can cause pain. If you experience abdominal pain, it's important to see a doctor for a proper diagnosis. Loss of appetite. Loss of appetite can be a sign of liver problems. This happens because the liver is responsible for producing energy for the body. When the liver is not functioning properly, it cannot produce enough energy, leading to feelings of fatigue and a loss of appetite. Additionally, the accumulation of toxins in the blood can also lead to a loss of appetite. If you experience a sudden or persistent loss of appetite, it's important to see a doctor for a proper diagnosis. Mood changes. Mood changes can also be a sign of liver problems. This happens because the liver is responsible for removing toxins from the blood, including hormones and other substances that affect mood. If the liver is not functioning properly, these toxins can accumulate in the blood, leading to mood changes such as anxiety, depression, and irritability. Joint pain. Joint pain can also be a sign of liver problems. This happens because the liver is responsible for removing waste from the blood, including uric acid. If the liver is not functioning properly, uric acid accumulates in the body, leading to joint pain and inflammation. We hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating connection between your feet and your liver. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more health content. Stay updated and join us on our journey to a healthier you by hitting the subscribe button now.